Welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is ARC review session. In today's episode, we are going to review Microsoft's Copilot. Copilot is an AI powered chat that can literally help you with anything that you can think of. It can prompt you code auto suggestions, it can help you write your blog articles, it can help you write your college essays, and much more. Let's get started. So, Copilot helps you organized and productive. You can use Copilot anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Like I mentioned, it's an AI powered chat. If you are familiar with ChatGPT, think of it something similar. You can use text, voice, or image experience conversational search. You can ask Copilot on your mobile device, on desktop, and anywhere that you can think of. It will help you enhance your productivity as you can ask or the routine work that you might be struggling with. You can add your own human creativity to it in a sense that you can provide suggestions and request Copilot to enhance that or make it more better. Obviously, you can use all of this to increase your knowledge. It's free to use. It's provided by Microsoft, which means it's trustworthy, it's solid, and it's stable. You can access the product at copilot.microsoft.com. When you click on this link, you would be prompted this, and you can see here it's just like ChatGPT if you have used and write code for say JavaScript um, program for reverse string. This is just a simple example I'm giving you, but you can do it pretty much for anything that you can think of. Right, so this is just a simple example, but you can see that it's auto generating the code for you that you can use. You can also provide it your inputs, like I said, for essays, for writing blog articles, and much more. And it would give you a lot of options which are really cool, and you can really become more productive. So just like ChatGPT, go ahead, give it a try, and do let me know what you think of it, if you have used Copilot or not. A lot of enterprises are already adopting Copilot inside Visual Studio Code editor itself, specially meant for designers and developers. So go ahead, give it a try at copilot.microsoft.com and stay tuned for more such reviews which will help you become more productive, become more efficient. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in yet another review session where I'll bring you productive apps and tools to make your life easy and better. Thank you so much.